Yo, it's good, everybody. It's Tide Trades. It's currently Tuesday, August 27th. I'm going to go over a GJ trade that I took today and caught a 1-3 RR. Honestly, I haven't really been trading GJ as much. I've mainly been trading the breakout on US30 at NYC Open. I might drop a breakdown on that. But the second thing is, honestly, this month the price action on Forex pairs have been pretty trash. And so I've mainly been staying away from it. But I broke even on US30 today and ended up finding a nice setup on GJ, so I'm gonna do a little breakdown. Following, the criteria like always: top down analysis, trend, value, support, resistance. Top down analysis, I was looking at the previous day, which is Monday. I saw this strong bullish pin bar that closed at this level. Now trend, this is where it gets a little difficult for me personally. I would say that price realistically has been stuck in this range for like the last 12 days, as you can see. So it's hard to find. I like to trade higher time frame with lower time frame trend. That's how you get personally for me, I think that's the best setup. You can trade. I consider it a counter trend trade if price is bullish in the higher time frame and on the lower time frame it's bearish. I would consider that a counter trend. So price being stuck in this range, it's hard to find like an overall bullish bias. So because of that, I want to have multiple rejections or trade double tops, triple tops, or double bottoms or triple bottoms. I want to verify that the area liquidity or support resistance is gonna hold. So what happened was I was originally looking for price to follow this 1 hour structure, which is low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and I was anticipating buys at this level, the 191, 110, or if price want to come back down to this 190, 640 level to continue looking for buys. I ended up waking up at 7:15. I saw this candle. I really wanted to close or I wanted to have a wick, fall deeper in the zone and then push back up, which it didn't happen. And then the second candle didn't do anything, and then the third candle absolutely just dumped. So at that point, I just set an alert for this level, which it did tap. But again, because I don't have a higher time frame trend bias, I wanted to make sure that this level was valid. So price tapped it here and then ended up coming back above and then retapping it again. But because I trade US30 at 9:30, I wasn't even looking at this. My alert went off. But at that point, I was just focused on US30. So buys here could have been valid. I could enter out this pin bar, 15 pip stop loss, quick 1 to 2, or even like a 2.5, but I wasn't looking at it. I ended up breaking even on US30, so I take 2 trades a day. I was willing to give myself one more setup. So at that point, price was somewhere around here. I ended up setting an alert for here and here. 10 a.m. news came out, and it was medium impact. It was high impact on Forex Factory, but besides the point, I liked how this closed super bearish, so I would consider this the first rejection. And at that point, I said, all right, if price wants to come back up to this level, what is it going to do? And that's when I started looking at some other confluences. So 1 hour, I would consider this, little head and shoulders pattern right here. This is pretty much all my confluences. I went to the 30-minute. It tapped, when price was trading above it, it tapped the 21 moving average nicely. Also had a 15-minute moving average cross, and then there was also a nice 38 fib, as you can see right here. So definitely valid level for sales if I got the entry signal, and that's exactly what happened. Price ended up closing a bearish pin bar, but I still wanted to see what price was gonna do. So price closed here and it ended up dropping down. I wasn't gonna enter here. I wanted to see what price did when it came back up. So it ended up coming back up a little bit and came back down. And when it started pulling back down, is exactly when I entered. And I put my stop loss 15 pips mainly at these highs because I was looking at the 3-minute time frame, and I saw the 3-minute time frame had perfect bullish market structure. So we had the low here, price came up, double bottom, and then ended up making a higher high, and then a higher low, and then another higher high. So realistically, price could have followed this structure and continue going like this. So at that point, if these highs got broken again, I would have the probably most likely would have been a bullish market structure, right? So I was okay putting my stop loss there. And then TP, trade zone to zone at these 190, 640 levels. On the 1 hour, you can see it nicely. You can see price respected it here, shot it down, shot it up, shot it down, shot it up, shot it down. So I didn't put my stop loss to break even or anything like that because it's, well, first of all, it's only Tuesday, and second of all, because I broke even for the day, I was okay with taking a loss, so I didn't care about putting stop loss to break even, and also there was no more like medium or high impact news for the day, so I just set the alert, set the TP, and let it ride. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. Super simple break and retest setup with multiple confirmations, and the main thing is looking for signs of rejection, especially when prices, and I would consider this overall ranging market. So you want to confirm that the level of liquidity is very valid. You don't want to just, you know, buy at area support, but there's no confirmation yet or anything like that. Simple as like this: price broke above, retested it. You could have took buy, you know, break, retest, and buy at support, show resistance, but no signs of rejection. Look, it absolutely just tanked. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.